Most developers make the same CSS mistake that breaks their sites on mobile. Let's fix that. Mobile-first design starts with the smallest screen size and progressively enhances for larger devices. You write your base styles for mobile, then use min-width media queries to add complexity as the screen grows. Here's what that looks like in practice. The default styles target phones, then at 768 pixels we add tablet layouts, and at 1024 pixels we unlock desktop features. This forces you to prioritize essential content first. Desktop first takes the opposite approach. You start with styles for the largest screens and use max-width media queries to scale down. The base CSS assumes a wide desktop layout, then at 1024 pixels you adapt for tablets, and at 768 pixels you simplify for mobile. This often leads to bloated mobile experiences because you're removing features instead of adding them. The technical difference comes down to the media query direction. Mobile first uses min-width queries that trigger as screens get larger, while desktop first uses max-width queries that trigger as screens get smaller. This fundamentally changes how your CSS cascades and how you think about responsive design. Mobile first is now the industry standard for 3 key reasons. First, over 60% of web traffic comes from mobile devices. Second, it follows progressive enhancement principles, ensuring everyone gets a working experience. Third, it results in cleaner, more maintainable code because you're building up complexity instead of stripping it away. Mobile first isn't just a trend, it's a best practice. Remember, mobile first builds from the ground up with min-width queries, while desktop first scales down with max width. Master both, but default to mobile first. Practice this approach in your next project and watch your interview confidence grow. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.